Guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I just want to welcome you. So in today's video, I am super excited. I just got myself the kinky curly wig and it is amazingly beautiful. I went ahead and washed this wig and it really looked like my natural hair when I washed this wig. I used the Oussie conditioner to conditioner this hair and I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it. I was a bit skeptical when I purchased this wig. I am very pleased with this product. So as you can see, I went ahead and washed the wig and air dry it overnight and the result was amazing. The beauty about this wig, I really do love this wig because this wig is a little bit looking like my hair texture. As you can see, I have curly hair and I am super loving this wig. This wig came with a white tooth comb and these little pink things that you use to curl the hair. And after washing the hair and had it for 2 days, I went ahead and rolled the ends just so that it won't be dry or brittly because I was worried about the texture. I wasn't sure what it was going to be, what it was going to turn out to be. But I am pretty pleased with it. And I must say my money worth. I got my money's worth. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. This is my very first wig that I purchased. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch the video to see the outcome of how I install this beautiful kinky curly hair. It was a challenge for me, I must say, but I got it right and I'm really loving it. Really loving it. So guys, I just want to thank you for watching.